Hello guys, you're welcome to another video in this series. Now in this video we're going to be learning about the pop-up menu button widgets inside of Flutter. So what is the pop-up menu button widget? The pop-up menu button widget is what allows you to create something like an options where if you click on the button you're going to get an options list to perform some sort of actions. And so that's what we're going to be doing in this video. And so say we have this our app bar that we have here. As you can see, I've removed the debug banner that was shown here by using this property. And in the actions section here, we could specify widgets. So we have actions property for this app bar, and we could specify a bunch of widgets to help us with the actions, right? So here we're going to say that we want a pop-up menu, button, and it has an item builder. So the item builder is actually a function that returns a list of pop-up menu entry. So context. So it returns a list of pop-up menu entry. So we can just do this. Nope, this. And so what we need to return, let's start with this. There we go. So it looks like we need something else. Yeah, so we need a pop-up there we go. So this is also your pop-up menu entry, and what do we have here? So the child is a text, for example. So for example, we could decide to say, okay, we want to do like a theme. Oh, we need an icon. So here we're gonna do icons. Icons.more fat. Alright, this can be const, and now we need this pop-up menu item. And for our text, now we're going to do something like settings, and then here we're also going to do like theme. You know, we're just going to do like 3 items basically. Feedback. So if we do a hot reload now, we should get a button here that we can click, and then you can see we have these 3 options here. So you can see we have, for example, we can click on settings, we can click on theme, we can click on the feedback. But how exactly do we wire this to make them work? So the way to do this is actually very simple. We just have what is this? Selected, and that's what we pass here. So when the value is selected, what is this? Get out. So when the value is selected, we want to know here. But here we have to say value. We have to pass value for each pop-up menu item to be able to identify which one of them was actually clicked. So here is where we're going to handle when one of them is selected. So if we do our reload, of course nothing's going to change because we're not actually doing anything with this. But if we click on this and we click now, we should be calling this function to do exactly as we expect. Now that'll be it. Let me just show you what it's going to look like. Oh my god, I actually did not do that. Anyway, that'll be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.